Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kenley. Today I'm going to be doing some looks with the Colourpop How the Grinch Stole Christmas. This is the color story right here. So pretty and festive. I did some swatchy swatches. And look at this green right here. So freaking pretty. And this one too. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Alright, let's get started with the first look. I already have my Milani eyeshadow primer on, so next I'm going to take the shade Ribbons and Bows right here in my crease. Then I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Stink Stink Stunk. This one right here. Apply it in the outer V and a little bit in the crease, like so. I like how this shadow is buildable. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter glue. I'm going to go in with the shade Stolen Stockings right here. Ooh, that's pretty. See that? So pretty. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Tinsel. This color right here. In the inner portion of the eyelid. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna reinforce the darker shade. And blend. I like how the first eyeshadow look is looking, so I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow look number 2. So let's see. I'm gonna go in with the shade Max. These shadows are powdery, but that doesn't really bother me. They're buildable, easy to use, easy to work with. I'm building Max because I'm gonna do a glitter halo eye look. I'm excited because I'm gonna use these greens. So pretty. Then I'm going to take Roast Beast, this one right here. Apply some in the outer corner and then in the inner corner as well, just so I can have like a foundation for the shimmer eyeshadows. Then I'm gonna go in back with the first brush and blend them in the crease. Then I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter glue all over the eyelid, because like I said, I'm gonna use the green shimmer shadows. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Mr. Grinch, this one right here. Apply that in the middle. Like so. Oh, this color is stunning. Alright. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Cuddly as a Cactus. This green, darker green. apply it at the outer corner. And then apply it in the inner corner. It's okay if you lose some of the first green shade, we're gonna go back and reinforce it. Now going in to the first green shade that we use. See? Woo, that is gorgeous. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Max in the crease again and blend those shades out. That's so pretty. I feel like I need a little bit more green right here in the outer corner. It got messy, don't worry about it. We're going to clean it up with a makeup removing wipe. You know what? To make that green pop even more, I'm gonna go in with Mr. Crumped right here. Apply it in the, ooh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. That pops even more. So pretty. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back to do the lower lash lines with you. Guys, I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording, but let me just tell you the shades that I used. For this look, I used ribbons and bows, this one right here on the lower lash line, and then I used Who's Pudding on the inner corner highlight. And then for this look, I used Cuddly as a Cactus on the lower lash line, and then I used Mr. Crumped in the inner corner. That's what it looks like. So cute and so pretty. I really like the second look. This look I think is my favorite. It's so cute. So cute. Well, they're both cute, but the second look just I think has my heart. All right, let's go on to our third and final look. So for look number 3, I want to stay over here on this side of the palette. So I'm going to start with the shade Mary Very in my crease. Let's just put that in the crease. And we're going to build her up. Then I'm going to go with the shade Who's Cheer. This one right here. And put that in the outer corner. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter glue and apply that all over the eyelid. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Cindy Lou Who. This one's like a soft shimmery shade, but look at that. Oh, it is so pretty. That is so friggin' pretty, guys. Like, wow. So pretty. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of Who's Cheer to reinforce that color. There we go. And then I'm gonna blend some more of Mary Very. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be back to do the lower lash line with you. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the shade Max and run it on the lash line. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use Mr. Crumped, this gorgeous shimmer. Look at that, that's so pretty. Alright friends, this is look number 3. What do you guys think? I think it's so cute. But look number 2 for sure is my favorite. The green one, that's my favorite. All right, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, like this video if you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios. Bye.